I'm here to demonstrate for you two different styles of cajones that Jaybird Larry makes.
Jaybird Airy.
Jaybird Airy makes these out here locally for you here. This first one here is a walnut box, a lap cajon style drum here with the hole up here in the front, and you can play it and it goes here like something like this. And that's just a standard one out there, a lap deal here. I got one over here. I'll be picking up here shortly by Jaybird Larry. I mean
Jaybird Airy.
Yeah, right. What you said, Jaybird Airy. Yeah, I can't. Yeah, you know what his name is. You know the guy. And lap cajon coming up here. It's a snare drum style, and I think Geese and Slaw Brothers play one of these. I've heard them out there in Arkansas, and they got a deal saying chopper just like this one right here. And them are the two styles that we got together. This one here is the plain one. This one here would be like the snare style. And thank you for listening to our demonstration and watching what we have to offer you on the video for Jaybird Airy. Thank you.